Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting the reset now. First, make sure both earbuds and the charging case have at least a partial charge. Low power can block resets. Remove the earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list so they won't reconnect mid-process. Once done, put the earbuds in the case and close the lid for 10 seconds. This initializes their internal sleep. You're doing these steps to ensure a clean state so the actual reset isn't interrupted by an active connection. Now you'll perform the factory reset. For most Bose wireless earbuds, press and hold the case button or both earbud touch sensors for the model's required time, typically between 10 and 30 seconds, until you see a specific LED flash pattern or hear an audible tone. Hold steady. Releasing too soon cancels the process. This wipes pairing info and returns firmware settings to default, which solves pairing bugs and stubborn audio glitches. Make sure you note the LED cue so you know when it's finished. Open the case and take the earbuds out to begin pairing as a new device. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the earbuds from the list. If they don't appear, reboot your phone and repeat the factory reset once more. Sometimes cached settings block discovery. If problems persist, install the Bose app to check for firmware updates or run diagnostics. As a final tip, try the earbuds with another device to isolate whether the issue is the earbuds or your phone's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.